Maybe the greatest inquiry in purchasers' brains over electric autos is to what extent the batteries will last. Most new auto purchasers have cell phones whose batteries have just endured 2 or 3 years, maybe less. Indeed, even as electric auto battery packs are justified against out-and-out disappointment for 8 or 10 years, what amount of corruption should proprietors foresee? The inquiry has surfaced again as a couple of the most punctual Nissan Leafs now seem to have lost up to a large portion of their battery limit, with drivers finding their range has fallen beneath 50 miles of true utilize. Nissan has substituted those battery packs for some early Leaf proprietors, and others are probably going to take after. It likewise swapped in another science for 2015, known as the reptile cell, that is said to be significantly more impervious to high temperatures. In any case, the stories of those early Leaf proprietors, and exhortation on how best to consult for that Leaf substitution battery, have produced serious enthusiasm on this site and others. Past the Leaf, diverse electric autos seem to have distinctive debasement rates. The Chevrolet Volt Go broadened electric auto, for example, appears to have practically zero territory misfortune even after 300,000 miles, in one exceedingly took-after case. What's more, shouldn't something be said about the Tesla Model S? The smooth, quick, expensive extravagance car was the main volume electric auto to offer in excess of 200 miles of range, and its proprietors obviously utilize that range. With the soonest Model S autos having gone into benefit in June 2012, what have we learned? A superbly wonky and lavishly connected blog entry by Martin Steinbuch, initially distributed in January 2015 and refreshed with new information a month ago, offers a few answers. It displays various charts of information focuses that plot Model S miles secured, in kilometers, against residual battery run, in percent, from an assortment of sources. There are singular information focuses scattered on the two sides of that line, obviously. However, generally speaking, the information offers some reason for certainty that a Tesla Model S will lose, overall, under 15% of its battery limit over the normal 150,000 mile, 250,000 kilometers, life of a vehicle. We empower perusing the full post to value the subtleties, the limitations on the information, and the provisos that Steinbuch offers in his investigation. However, it appears to be sheltered to state that generally speaking, the fluid-cooled extensive battery packs that possess a large number of little wear cells that Tesla utilizes appear to hold their ability superior to anything the detached air-cooled packs with littler quantities of huge configuration cells utilized by Nissan. As usual, numerous variables may influence pack condition, normal speed, encompassing temperature, recurrence of quick charging, and a large group of others.